Hello, my name is Jake and welcome to Sheet Plastics. In this tutorial, we will walk you through installing EasyGlaze secondary glazing. The EasyGlaze secondary glazing system consists of durable PVC and includes a base section and a cover strip, available in packs of 2.44mm. The system uses a self-adhesive tape on the base to attach to the frame. This glazing system is exclusively used for internal use. EasyGlaze improves insulation and reduces drafts when applied directly to the frame. Please remember it requires a 15mm mounting space around the current window to ensure maximum adherence. For this installation, you'll need the following tools: a tape measure, a small tooth saw, pen and paper, a mitre block, cleaning wipes and a pack of EasyGlaze. To begin, measure your window frame, being sure to add 12mm to the length and width. When working out how much EasyGlaze you need, add 25mm to each side. Once you know how much secondary glazing you need, visit www.sheetplastics.co.uk and order the correct accessories kit. Start by snapping in the cover section into the base section of EasyGlaze. Measure the side of the sheet where you intend to add EasyGlaze and add 13mm. Cut the EasyGlaze strip squarely and repeat this for each side of the panel. Starting at the corner, cut a 45-degree angle using the fine tooth saw and the mitre block. Repeat this for each corner. Place the EasyGlaze strip onto each edge of the plastic sheet, ensuring even overlap over the edges. Hold the panel to the window frame and add pencil marks around the panel onto the frame for guidance. Separate the EasyGlaze panels into base and top sections. Mark them to remember which goes on top and which goes on bottom. Peel back several centimetres from the backing tape on the base section. Fold it out and position it on the inside of the pencil mark on the frame. Check the corners are neat and square and peel back the cover of the tape, pressing the strip firmly in place as you go. With all four pieces in place, offer up the plastic sheet to the frame. Insert one section into the EasyGlaze, starting at the top from one section to the end, ensuring the cover strip stays aligned to the base. Repeat this on all sides. That concludes our guide. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to www.sheetplastics.co.uk.